Here we have a 2023 Range Rover Sport Dynamic SE. Now this vehicle comes with just under £7,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website, but just to mention one though, we do have the black exterior package. We also have the 23-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which are in excellent condition and unmarked, as you can see just here, with the red brake calipers just behind. We also have the white exterior paintwork, which contrasts nicely against all of the black accents. We do have the blacked out Range Rover badging on the bonnet, the LED headlights and the gloss black grills as well. And there's a look at that front end. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find we have the air suspension, so the vehicle can raise or lower. It's currently set to the access height, which is the lowest setting. We also have the side steps along the bottom, the colour coded door handles, which fold in or out. Currently folded out, but if we lock the car door, then you can see the handles will fold in flush with the rest of the doors. We do also have the power folding electric mirrors, which have the blind spot assist. We have the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, and we do also have the panoramic glass sunroof up top. It's currently open, can also get put onto a tilt. We do have the shark fin antennas and also the rear spoiler. There's another look at an alloy wheel, as you can see again in excellent condition. We do have the 360-degree cameras with the front and rear parking sensors. We also have the dual exhaust at the back with the rear diffuser. We have a power operated tailgate, so if you press the button here on the remote, you'll find it will open just like so. Inside of here you find we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. We've got the parcel shelf at the top. We also have a 12-volt connectivity and a storage net there on the right hand side. We also have the buttons so we can raise or lower the vehicle, making it easier to put things into the boot. We also have a button up here, press this button and then the boot will close again like so. Coming back round to the driver's side now, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And if you take a look at the interior, inside of here you find the full leather interior. We've got the two-tone foldable armrest here in the centre. We also have the fixed ISO points as well. Both these rear outer seats are also heated. We have the vents as well down there in the centre with the buttons for the heated seats. Like I said, both of the outer ones are heated. They're also reclinable, so we do have these buttons here on the doors. You can see we can fold them forwards and backwards. We have the premium Meridian sound system, of course the electric windows as well. Taking a look at the front, you find the same leather interior. There's a look at the panoramic glass sunroof from the inside. But both these front seats are again heated and they're also electrically adjustable, both with the memory function controlled again on the doors. We have the electric mirrors. We also have the electric windows with child lock for the rear. Again, a premium Meridian sound system. You have the blind spot assist just here as well on the mirrors. Multifunctional steering wheel, which is electrically adjustable, and it's also heated as well. I'll just take a seat inside, close the door. We've got the digital dashboard in front of us, so if you put a foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will turn on. We've got the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, lane keeping assist, the heated steering wheel button just there, adaptive cruise control and also the speed limiter as well. We are free from any warning lights on the dashboard other than about the fuel level, so nothing to worry about. Now we can change the view of the dashboard by pressing the circle just here. You see we have these different options, so if you go down to the display layout, it's currently set to the dial. We can also have a map where you can see the full screen of the sat-nav. We also have the different option as well, so we go over to focused, and you see we have the digital speedometer in the centre. We also have the main screen here in the centre, which is currently showing the sat-nav. Now if this screen is flickering, it is just the camera that's not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. Many features on here, so if you go over down, you'll find the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have the media options just here with the radio stations, where you have the other sources there as well. If you go onto the car, you find the ride height, so you can see we're currently set to access. You can change it simply just by pressing onto one of the other buttons, so you can see the vehicle is now rising to the normal height. We also have the other options just here, so the auto brake hold, the auto start stop button as well. If you go back, onto the main menu, you find all these other features such as the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We have the 4x4 information, as this vehicle is very capable of going off-road. We do also have the weight sensing there as well. Back onto the main menu, when we can scroll through and you'll find even further features just down here as well. Again, further down you find the climate control. You've got the ice-cold air conditioning. We also have the dual zone control on the dials. We have the heated seats. If we press it on, then you can see we have the heated seat. Turn it to the left to turn it off, or turn it back to the right and it will stay on. We also have the heated windscreen as well here in the center. We have the different drive modes, so as you can see it's currently set to auto, but press that in and then we can change it. If we go from left to right, you'll find it dynamic, eco, comfort. We have grass, gravel, snow, mud ruts, sand, and also the wade. Let's leave it in auto for now. Now if we put the car into reverse, you'll find the reversing camera will appear on the screen. We do also have the 360 view just here, so you can see we can tap on each individual camera and they all work as they should do, as you can see just here. We do have the off-road view, so if we just drive forward a little bit, it should appear. If you press this button, drive forward, then you can see it should appear just in a moment. You'll be able to see underneath the vehicle, as you can see just there. You can see underneath. If you put it back into park mode by pressing P, we then have the cup holders just inside of here. We also have some extra storage behind there, so pull this back down, extra storage underneath there with 2 USB ports. We also have the armrest here in the center. Again, you can open it up for extra storage, and we do also have extra armrests as well